If you want to earn money and if you want to be successful in life, if you want to make your career as a freelancer and looking for some secrets that help you to become a successful freelancer, then stay here. This video is for you. So, guys, I am going to share 5 tips to become a successful freelancer. And by using these tips and a bit of determination, I have seen many people to get out of their dark desks at all. So finally, first of all, start working up to $100 per day. Determine your goal as. First of all, we will build a strong network. It means when you're choosing what to include in your portfolio, be selective and only showcase your best work. Remember, you are trying to impress potential clients, so make sure you are putting your best foot forward. It will also help you to become more acknowledgeable, means you will be able to get engaged. Start with a strong portfolio. Number two, establish yourself as an expert, and that means a lot. Share your insights through speaking engagements, through emails, and by using posts or articles. And number three is develop a strong online presence. Developing strong online presence will help you to create a professional websites. These websites will also help you to get engaged with your audience. This can be challenge. Make your social accounts up to date. For one is stay organized and efficient. Stay on top of the deadlines. Time management is also very important and should offer quality work. Qualities that meets or exceeds your client expectations. That is all. Follow these tips. Thank you so much.